In Affinity Photo, if you want to know the position of a particular node, so you want to align things, you want to move things around, just go over here, select the node tool and then move it around. As you do that, in the transform panel, you can see the location, the X being horizontal, the Y being the vertical position. To see that, you go to Window and down to Transform. You can see there, Transform. Well, you can move it around, but if you don't have that panel, or you can't see it at the moment, well, you can also use the ruler as well. Go to View and Show Rulers. Make sure that's on. And with a ruler, you can see along here, you've got a ruler and you go there and you can say, oh, that's at position 2. Obviously, it's a bit harder to actually see it. So 3 there, you can see. And also it snaps just slightly snaps at that position. But you can also use the ruler to reposition the ruler. So just go up here and also, really usefully, it gives an indication of the location. So just drag that around so you can see as you drag it around, you can see that little indicator says 2.712, etc., etc. So just click on there and you can see the position 1.934 and 0.451. But also it's repositioned the 0 and the 0. So you can see now where it's along that line, that's where now you've got the origin point for that document. So it's 0 and 0 for the rulers. Obviously, there's still the top of the document. Now, if you want to put it back, so you've done that, you've moved it, you can see now you've got -2 there, and you'll see now there it's about 0.5. You can go up here, double click, and it puts it back as before, 0 and 0. So you've got a start point there as you would expect normally. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.